Welcome back to our channel. Unimaginable wealth in your hands, the 1982 D. Lincoln Memorial penny that could make you a millionaire overnight. Imagine holding a simple 1-cent coin, only to realize that it holds the power to change your fortune forever. The 1982 D. Lincoln Memorial penny might seem like just another penny, but certain rare variations and minting errors have made it worth an unimaginable fortune in today's collector's market. If you own the right version of this coin, you could be sitting on a hidden treasure worth millions. Let's get started. The 1982 D. Lincoln Memorial penny is a fascinating coin with a rich history, but is it really worth millions of dollars? Could it be the rare treasure that changes your fortune overnight? While many collectors dream of stumbling upon a priceless penny, the reality of a coin's value depends on several factors, such as rarity, composition, condition, and minting error. The Lincoln Memorial Penny, a timeless icon of American history. The Lincoln Penny series has been a staple of American currency since 1909, honoring the legacy of President Abraham Lincoln. The 1982 D. penny continues this tradition, featuring the classic Lincoln Memorial design. This coin was minted in Denver, D. mint mark, and has several variations, making it an exciting piece for collectors. The composition mystery, copper or zinc. One of the most significant details about the 1982 D. penny is that it was minted during the year the U.S. Mint transitioned from solid copper pennies to zinc core pennies with a thin copper coating. Early 1982 pennies contained 95% copper and 5% zinc and tin, weighing 3.11 grams, but later that year, the mint switched to a 97.5% zinc core with just 2.5% copper plating, weighing only 2.5 grams. Finding a rare 1982 D. penny in solid copper could mean a fortune. The obverse, the face of a legend. The obverse, front, of the coin features a right-facing portrait of Abraham Lincoln, designed by Victor D. Brenner. His initials, VDB, can be found beneath Lincoln's shoulder. Above Lincoln's head, the phrase, "In God We Trust," is inscribed, while "Liberty" is to the left and the year 1982 to the right. If you find a well-struck and well-preserved example, it could be a collector's dream. The reverse, the Lincoln Memorial in stunning detail. The reverse, back, of the coin showcases the Lincoln Memorial, an iconic symbol of American freedom and democracy. This design was introduced in 1959 to mark the 150th anniversary of Lincoln's birth, replacing the previous wheat penny reverse. Above the memorial, the phrase, "United States of America," is curved along the top edge, with "E pluribus unum" just below it. The denomination, 1 cent, is boldly displayed at the bottom. The Denver Mint, a major producer of pennies. The 1982 D. penny was minted in Denver, Colorado, one of the 3 active U.S. mints at the time. The D. mint mark, located just below the year on the obverse, indicates its origin. Billions of these coins were struck, but certain rare varieties and errors make some of them highly valuable. The small date versus large date mystery. One of the most intriguing details about the 1982 D. penny is the small date versus large date varieties. The difference lies in the size and shape of the numbers in the date. The small date version has a thinner and more delicate 2 in 1982, while the large date has a bolder, wider 2. Finding a 1982 D. small date in copper is extremely rare and could be worth thousands, if not millions. The Holy Grail, the 1982 D. small date copper penny. The 1982 D. small date copper penny is one of the rarest Lincoln cents ever discovered. Only a handful have been confirmed, and collectors are willing to pay astronomical amounts for them. If you happen to find one, it could instantly turn you into a millionaire. How to identify a valuable 1982 D. penny. To determine if your 1982 D. penny is valuable, follow these steps. Check the mint mark, look for the D below the date. Weigh the coin. If it weighs 3.11 grams, it's solid copper. If it weighs 2.5 grams, it's zinc. Examine the date. A small date copper penny is extremely rare and valuable. Look for minting errors, off-center strikes, doubling, and other mistakes can add significant value. The role of coin grading: condition matters. Coin value is largely determined by condition. Graded coins are evaluated by organizations like PCGS, Professional Coin Grading Service, and NGC, Numismatic Guarantee Company. A mint state, MS, 65 or higher 1982D small date copper penny could command an extraordinary price. Errors and varieties: jackpot finds. Rare minting errors can make ordinary coins extremely valuable. Some sought-after 1982D penny errors include double die obverse, DDO, a doubling effect on the date or inscriptions. Off-center strikes, coins that were struck misaligned, leaving part of the design missing. Broad strikes, coins struck without a collar, causing an expanded shape. Wrong planchet errors: if a 1982D penny was mistakenly struck on a foreign planchet, it could be worth a fortune. How much could your 1982D penny be worth? Common 1982D pennies: zinc, large date, worth 1 to 10 cents. Copper 1982D pennies, large date, common condition, worth 2 to 5 cents. 1982D small date copper penny, rare, could be worth $10,000 to over $1 million, depending on condition. Major mint error coins: value varies but can range from hundreds to thousands of dollars. The Bicentennial coin confusion: what's the truth? Many online rumors suggest that Bicentennial pennies from 1982 are worth millions. However, the USA's official Bicentennial coins were only issued in 1976, quarter, half dollar, and dollar coins. No pennies were made for the US Bicentennial, so be wary of misinformation. Could you own $1 million penny? The dream of finding a fortune in spare change is what keeps collectors and treasure hunters searching. While most 1982D pennies are common, there are exceptions, especially the small date copper penny, which is one of the rarest Lincoln cents in history. If you find one, get it authenticated immediately. It could be the life-changing discovery you've been waiting for. Final thoughts: could you be the next lucky millionaire? The 1982D Lincoln Memorial penny may seem ordinary, but the right variety can make it extraordinarily valuable. Keep an eye out for copper small date versions, minting errors, and high-grade coins, as they could be worth hundreds, thousands, or even millions of dollars. Check your change, inspect your collections, and you might just uncover a hidden treasure waiting to change your fortune.